How to download Davinci Resolve on PC Windows 11. I know a lot of you guys want to start editing your videos with professional quality software, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. How to download Davinci Resolve on PC for free. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser and you want to type in gd7please.blogspot.com/2025/11/dr.html and you want to hit enter. Once the site loads, you want to scroll a little bit. You can see Davinci Resolve download. You want to press on it and you want to press on free download now. You want to select your operating system. For me, it's Windows, so I'm going to press Windows. And you have to sign in. Not really sign, you have to register into Davinci Resolve. Once you're done registering, this is what you're going to see. You just want to press on Davinci Resolve Windows zip, and it's going to start downloading on your computer. How to download Davinci Resolve on PC Windows 11. Once Davinci Resolve is done installing, this is going to show up on your computer. You just want to press on it. Wait for Davinci Resolve to respond. After a while, Davinci Resolve is going to start extracting. It just took a while for me. For you, it might not. For you, it may. Just wait for a while and Davinci Resolve is going to automatically start extracting on your computer. Once it's done extracting, it's going to ask you this. You want to press on yes. And Davinci Resolve is going to start launching maybe. Yeah, it's going to start. It's going to ask you to install. You just want to press on install. And Davinci Resolve is going to start installing on your computer. Once it's done, you just want to press on next. And you want to press I accept the terms, and you want to press on next again. Once again, you want to press on next, and then you want to press on install, and Davinci Resolve is going to start once again installing. Don't worry guys, this is the last time you have to press on install. Once everything is done installing, you want to press on finish, and the installation is now complete. Now you can just open up Davinci Resolve. How to download Davinci Resolve on PC Windows. As you can see here, Davinci Resolve is now up and running on my computer completely for free. All you want to do here is press on new project and you want to press on create, and Davinci Resolve is going to start working. You just need to import clips on Davinci Resolve so you can start editing or whatever you want to do on Davinci Resolve. So that's it for the video guys. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, join the Discord down in the description.